Hi, I'm Mabel. I have a wonderful husband and two mischievous children. We just moved into this lovely home. We like the Bukit Timah area because it's close enough to the city. I grew up in the city as a city girl, and it's also close to nature. And we came here, we saw the view and we fell in love with it. This is the place where we keep all the mementos that we hold dear, such as our family photographs and the ornaments that we've collected over the years. That's why we've kept the feature wall really clean and natural with just little curves to accentuate it. We really love how it turned out. Because the view is such a big part of our decision to buy the house, so we wanted to make sure that the design and the theme of the house complements and brings in the view from the outside into the house into a seamless connection. So we kept the palette purposefully natural and very clean. And with lots of open spaces for entertainment and interaction. Having an open concept kitchen is very important for us. We have a large family and we like to entertain, so open concept allows our family and friends to have lots of interactions and also facilitates discussions and conversations. This bar area was especially designed by my husband and is his go-to place whenever he has a stressful day after work. We turned this little nook into a library where we can store all our favorite reads. The kids and the rest of the family like to come in here for some me time and pick up their favorite book. To bring a little bit of wow into the place, we made the common bathroom very dark in theme. This is one of the two places that are dark against the light and natural palette of the entire house. This is where I have my very own catwalk. The curvature of the panels as well as the cupboard lends a special touch to this area.
I spend a lot of time in my room because I like to have my own personal space to do things without having others to disturb me. There's easy access to all of my items and things that I would potentially need. And also, my room has an amazing view that I can enjoy when I want to relax or sit down.
My room is more of a minimalist style with adequate closet space for me to store my belongings. In addition to that, I like it because I have my own privacy.
The bathroom is an important place for all of us, so we've made it extra special with dramatic black and white painted tiles and also rattan-cladded cabinets. This house holds a special place in our hearts. We really feel that we can bond together as a family in here, and it's magical.